Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about BestEver, a very smart tool for ads and marketing. You will learn what BestEver is, how it works, and how you can use competitors' data to create winning ads. And right now, before we continue, I want to share something with you. In the description of this video, you will find a special link. That link will give you access to lifetime deals or extra discount on powerful tools. So don't forget to check it after watching this video. Okay, so now let's talk about BestEver. This tool is like a window into your competitors' strategy. It shows you the ads your competitors are running and which one are successful, how can you learn from them. So instead of spending money testing many ads, you can study what is already working in your market and then you can build your own version. For example, if you run an online store, normally you may test 10 or 20 ads before finding the best one. But with BestEver, you can see your competitors' winning ads and you can get inspiration immediately. So this saves you a lot of time, reduce risk and help you to spend less money. And in this time, BestEver is even smarter. It doesn't just show you the ads, it also shows you AI-based suggestion. So for example, it may say this type of image and this type of video or that type of ad is performing best right now. So that makes it much easier for beginners to start running their ads without wasting budget. Now another great thing is audience insight. BestEver shows you who is engaging with those ads, like their age group, location and interest. So this helps you to make your targeting sharper, which is super important in marketing. And the dashboard is very simple to understand, so even if you are new, you can start using it right away. So overall, BestEver in this time is a powerful tool. If you want to create better ads by learning from competitors, it saves you money, saves your time and give you a real advantage in your campaign. And before we close, let me remind you once again about the special link in the description. That link is actually on AppSumo, and from the AppSumo you can get the lifetime deal for the BestEver. So don't miss it out because it can save you a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.